Hi, today we're going to learn about sequences. Sequence in 10th grade is not that much, but as you go to 11th grade and 12th grade, you'll learn more about it and you'll have to use it very frequently, so please pay attention. A number sequences is a set of numbers listed in a specific order where numbers have specific value. A first term is denoted as U1, second by U2, so on. So you denote the nth term as UN. So when you have an arithmetic series, which is when you add or subtract from previous term, you'll denote it like this. Look at the example: 15, 11, 7, 3, minus 1. And it goes on. It's an arithmetic series because you have to subtract previous term by 4 to get this series. So U6 equals U5 minus 4, and then U6 equals -1 minus 4 equals -5. So the sixth term, which is not shown on that series, will be -5. And in the same way, the seventh term will be -9. So it'll go as 15, 11, 7, 3, -1, -5, -9, and it goes on. So the general formula, or the term, is UN, and you have to learn how to write the general formula with the UN. So the way to write nth term with the UN is, you can see the example below. When you have the series 5, 8, 11, 14, which is also the arithmetic series, you'll have to denote it like UN equals 3n plus 2. So you just have to find the pattern. How much you're adding by is 3, so you have 3n, and the first term will be 5, so you have 3n plus 2 to make that 5. And the next one, you have 2, 6, 12, 20, and it goes on. And you have the series UN equals n squared plus m. So these are kind of hard to find, but if you do it a lot of times, if you solve a lot of questions, you'll get used to it. And lastly, the geometric sequence. The geometric sequence is when you multiply the same constant, the same ratio to the previous term. So see the example. You have 2 times 3, 2 times 3 squared, 2 times 3 cubed, and 2 times 3 to the power of 4, and it goes on like that. So when you have the series 2, 6, 18, or something like that, this is called the geometric series. And the general formula of the geometric series is UN equals U1 times r to the power of n minus 1, where r is a constant. So your U1 will be the first term, which the previous series, it's 2, and the r is a ratio, or the number you're multiplying with, which in the previous term you use 3.